What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Car's Kitchen, and today we are making this sweet potato cornbread. I've been seeing this trending all over TikTok, so let's make it. I'm going to start off by putting all my dry ingredients into a bowl, and don't worry, I will have all the ingredients down in the description box below. So next I'm going to be blending up a sweet potato. And as you can see, I'm just rinsing off the blender just to make sure to get all those strings out of there. And we're just gonna blend it up until it's nice and smooth. Once you got everything nice and smooth, we're gonna add 1 egg at a time and blend. Oh, and don't forget to scrape the sides of your bowl. Now we're just going to go in with some buttermilk. Then we are going to slowly add in our dry mix and blend. And you just want to do this a little bit at a time so it's easier to work with. And we are going to go in with some melted butter because butter make it taste better. Once you have all your ingredients incorporated, you're just going to pour that into your dish, and we're going to pop this in the oven. And we are going to bake this at 400 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. Once your cornbread is done, we're going to be making our little glaze to go on top. So I'm taking some melted butter, powdered sugar, and some honey. And this is optional. I added a little bit of cinnamon just to give it a sweeter, spicier flavor. And you can add milk until you get the consistency you're looking for. So this consistency is perfect for me, and I'm just gonna, like I said earlier, add some cinnamon and pour that all over the top of my cornbread. And this part is also optional. I'm just cutting it before I put the glaze on top just so the glaze can slide down the cracks and get in between the layers of the cornbread. So once you spread that glaze on top, you can dig in, cut you a piece, and that is all for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend, and I will see you in my next video.